Hello, hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. So I was going to just bring you with me to harvest some of my Barbados cherries and some of my miracle fruit. So this Barbados cherry tree, hopefully this camera will focus, has been giving me so many cherries. And though I would like to keep them on there until they actually get darker, well this is pretty dark. This is pretty good. If I do that, I come back out the next day and they wind them right down here on the ground. So this one wasn't damaged, but they damage very easily. So I come and get them and actually eat them with my miracle fruit. So basically, I'm going to go around here and take some of them off of here. Look at that. And this tree has still a lot of green ones left. And every day, basically, I come out here and I get me some. I've been harvesting off this tree, wow, all year. This is the best it's actually produced for me. See if I can reach in there and get that one. So yeah, that's that Barbados cherry. Let's walk over here. Let me go ahead and that's what I got there. So let's come over here. And these miracle fruit trees are producing again. So this year, I've had these miracle fruit trees for 3 years. This year is the best year as far as production. Put that right there. So just look at all the fruits in these trees. I mean, as soon as I think it's stopped in, it starts producing more. And the thing is, they camouflage themselves because, they start off as green, right? And a lot of times I don't even see them in here. Like when I'm here picking them, I don't always even see them until they turn red. And they're different type of miracle fruit trees, right? At least different leaves. So if you look at this leaf formation on this miracle fruit tree, right? Look at the leaves. Now look how big these leaves are on this miracle fruit tree right here. And as you can see, she's starting to produce again. Look at all that. See, you can see that right there. Right? So this one is completely different than the other one. And this one was producing like all summer. Then it slowed down. Now she's coming back again. Look at there. And then let me show you the one I just thought had stopped. Check this out. This is the baby. This is the first one we had. And she's a dwarf miracle fruit tree. So where the other ones have grown, this one has been the same size for 3 years. She's just a dwarf. She's just, look at that. Unbelievable, right? And, last year they didn't produce like this, this long. But this year, and I haven't even put nothing in them, given them nothing, because they don't like wet. They don't seem to like wet feet. They love this area, so that's why all 3 of them in this area, because they produce well, and why fix anything that's not broken. So as you can see, this is some of my harvest. I'll come back out later and get some more. I like to wait for them to turn red, and they usually don't fall off the tree like the Barbados cherries. While we're here we go. That's sorghum. Yes. So I keep these trees all in the same area because they seem to like it here. And I'm just look at the baby. She's the baby. That's how big she is. She's a small baby. And I see one. See that fell down here. So I actually freeze them because I can't eat as many. I gave it a lot away, and I actually freeze them. But look at that tree go. So yeah, just bringing you some more of me harvesting some more from our fruit trees. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and I have been trying to grow some seedlings of the miracle fruit trees, and so far 3 have taken. So let's see how they make it as I protect them toward the winter. Okay, so hopefully you're having a blessed day. It's a beautiful day out. And go ahead and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.